The term architecture is usually associated with buildings, but is often applied in other contexts such as landscapes, computers, and information systems. Definitions of the term architecture typically include words like structure, organization, and integration. The architecture of a complex structure such as a building or computer system describes its component pieces and how they are organized or integrated to create the entire structure. This view tends to emphasize the static nature of the components through their dynamic interaction is also considered, such as when a building architecture models the flow of people through a hallway or the impact of wind or water on a bridge. But a hardware computer and its programming can be built to accomplish an almost infinite number of abstract and physical tasks. Within the computer and software engineering disciplines, and often other engineering disciplines such as communications, then the term system came to be defined as containing all of the elements necessary, which generally includes both hardware and software to perform useful function. Consequently, a system generally refers to a programmable hardware machine, and it includes program with the engineering disciplines, and a system engineer is described as one concerned with the whole device, both hardware and software, and more specifically all computer interfaces, including that between hardware and software, and especially between the entire computer and the user. Engineer deals more or less exclusively with the hardware device. The software engineer deals more or less exclusively with the computer program, and the system engineer is responsible for ensuring that the program is capable of operating correctly within the hardware device, and that the two entity systems is capable of communicating properly with the external environment. A system architecture makes use of software and hardware elements and is used to enable such a composite system to be designed. A good architect can be seen as a practicing scheme or algorithm that divides all the current and predictable system requirements into a workable set of clearly bounded subsystems with nothing left over. Whether concerned with building or information systems, architecture is a design process that determines the structure, organization, and integration of key components. Designing an appropriate system architecture requires a detailed understanding of many technology-related topics. That knowledge is essential to developing systems that are easily to build, deploy, and maintain. Think about what system architecture is, why you need to understand computer technology to develop and manage information systems, and how to keep this knowledge current. This topic also includes hardware, software, and network technology, and examines concepts and terms that are explored.